Greetings on the most exciting Wednesday message this week. All right, this is your chief. I'm actually recording this on a Friday. That's why I'm wearing the same t-shirt as you see on the Start Living promo. Right, because I'm leaving for Singapore on Sunday to be with my mentor and greatest upline on the planet, Dato Sri Vijay, to strategize, plan, shop, buy expensive things and have a great life. Alright, okay, the life of financial freedom. But most importantly, to spend time with my mentor and upline, Dato Sri Vijay. I think JR Maya will be there and a few good friends, okay. So I'm recording this Friday, you're watching it on Wednesday. So if you are watching this on Wednesday, you already know that we have launched, alright, 5 days ago, the greatest promo ever called the Start Living promo, which is, there's a video of me looking good, explaining to you all the details, which I did about 2 hours, 3 hours ago, which is the best promo for you to focus on right now. It's about direct referrals, it's extra money bonus, but you need to maximize the first 3 weeks. The early bird, because the bonuses are bigger, all right? And you need to promulgate or communicate, all right, the promo to every level in your organization. And a promo is extra money, more bonus, creates a lot of excitement in your organization, but you need to create your own excitement around it. Because the promo is only as important as you make it, all right? Like everything in network marketing. Okay, you make it important. You talk about it. We spoke about edification a few weeks ago. All right, and edification is important in a promo. You edify the promo. You edify the behavior in the promo. You edify the bonuses of the promo. And monkey see, monkey do. That you have to qualify, like you should already be qualified now. If it's 5 days and you're not qualified, you are a moron. Okay, if there's a planet moron, you would be king or queen. All right, because as a leader, you should qualify instantly. 48 hours you could qualify. All right, technically by now I would have already qualified. All right, for the promo as much as I can. All right, I want to go for that 108,000 BV. Isn't that sexy? 108,000 BV. I think you get 5,000 US early, but 5,000 US dollars. You can fly and chill with me in Singapore, New York, or London. Okay. It's been a very exciting week. I just came back from Phuket. My last Wednesday video was in Phuket. I have a home in Phuket. We had a great time with good friends. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place in Thailand. Met a lot of people. Did a lot of presentation. There's so many people from the Middle East. So many people from freaking India there. All right. Had a great time in Phuket. Came back to Malaysia, rock and rolling, excited about this promo. And my message to you this Wednesday is basically a sense of urgency, all right, or the need for speed, okay? Sense of urgency, you understand. So we'll call it the need for speed, okay? The need for speed. I realized today that the world is changing. Network marketing is changing. QNet is changing. When I started 15 years ago, all right, hitting a check of 5,000 US dollars in 3 months was the most exciting thing ever in the history of the world. We were so excited. 3 months, 5,000 US dollars a week, unbelievable. But today, you guys are out there hitting $5,000 checks in the first week. So the need for speed has become the trend in network marketing today, that you should do everything faster. Because when you do things faster, you create a benchmark which sets the tone for the rest of your organization. All right? So creating this benchmark of speed is important. So somebody asked me, how fast should I sign up my first 2 directs? 1 hour if possible. 1 hour if possible. 30 minutes if possible. All right? But no longer than 48 hours. You understand? So if you create speed in your achievements, all right, that message, you are a living example of somebody who has done it in the fastest of time. And that whole message trickles down to your organization and converts into what? A culture. So soon you will have an organization of everyone believing 100% that they can achieve first 2 directs in 48 hours, or first 2 directs in 12 hours, first 2 directs in 6 hours, even better. And then this whole weekend I spoke about max out, all right? Because max out is like something a lot of people thought was so far away. We look, we wave and hope. My foot, okay? Max out is so achievable. Anyone can achieve max out. You can achieve max out, all right? 15 years ago when I maxed out, I almost invited everyone like it was my wedding. But today, times have changed because there is speed, all right? So I got people who max out in 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. So you don't have any excuse anymore. I want you to max out as fast as possible to create a benchmark which other people can see that it's achievable, doable, and they do it also. So the same way with this promo, there is a need for speed. Please don't wait until the last day of early bird and then scramble around with a guy with ants in his pants, okay? Ants in his pants, I like how it sounds, okay? And then last minute, no. Speed. Qualify for your bonus now. It's been 5 days. If you haven't qualified, you're a moron. So please get off your ass, get off that sofa, go out there, all right? Sign up, sign up, sign up, sign up, everyone and anyone, whichever country you are, whatever challenges are in front of you, push it aside and focus on the Start Living promo. This is the most exciting 6 weeks of your life. Now you need to have a level of discipline during this promo 6 weeks, okay? Firstly, cancel all your social outings. If you have a date, tell her to wait. And if she really likes you, she will wait, all right? And by 6 weeks, you'll max out, then she will really like you, okay? I'm just kidding. She should love you for your heart and not your money, okay? And same thing with the ladies. He should love you for your heart and not your money, okay? And you need to create a system to sustain energy and excitement during these 6 weeks. So you should have meetings with your core leadership every night. And if you have a function, a system, an event, a BP, immediately anyone who qualifies to the promo, bring them up on stage, recognize them, edify them, throw flowers, drop balloons, do whatever it takes. Create this unbelievable excitement and energy around this promo. It will work for you and your organization. So daily late night meetings, push your core leadership, all right, to qualify. Make it a prerequisite that they must qualify now. If you haven't qualified, it's already late. You're too slow, man. All right, and woman, okay? We need speed. The world is changing, all right? You can't wait until 17 years to be rich. You got to be rich now, all right? So you can enjoy the money and fly to Singapore and then fly to London and fly to New York with me. Shopping, good food, good friends, all right? And presentation, presentation, presentation. So remember this, the need for speed creates a benchmark for your organization. And during this promo, intensify your energy. Intensify your communication. Have you qualified? What's happening? Have you done a presentation? Hey, so-and-so just qualified for 5,000 bonus. So-and-so just qualified for 700 bonus. Unbelievable. Create a wave of energy and passion through the whole organization for the Start Living promo. That's what you need to do, guys. All right? Daily meetings, every night. Gather your people, your house, coffee shop, in your car, all right? In your car will be tight, okay? Around your car, you understand? All right? Use your windscreen of your car with a marker pen and write details. You need to push everyone to qualify for the promo. Weekly check targets and qualifying for their bonus share of the Start Living promo. Guys, I'm so excited, all right? When I did the promo video just now, I am so freaking excited. A lot of people are going to make a lot of money from these bonuses and the promo, and most importantly, you're going to create a new army of hardcore excited networkers, and you're going to create unbelievable momentum in your organization, which is going to take you to max out. That's your destination. So guys, Start Living promo is on. I'm still gorgeous. I love you guys so much. For all of those who came to VCon, remember your dream. Remember Latika. All right? And remember, okay, daily presentation. Make it a culture. No excuses. I love you guys so much. All right? I'm still here. I'm still protecting your dream. And whatever challenges, think of me, the challenges will disappear. All right. I'm going to see Dato Sri Vijay in a few days. I'm so excited to spend a few days with him, all right, learning from his wisdom. And he has a message for all of you. This promo is a gift from him, because ultimately it's just free money for doing what you're supposed to do. Now you need to do it faster. All right. You must have the need for speed.